this is Patrick at 1CNC West, and what we're going to do in this video is continue to take a look at the 1CNC Active Cut technology and how it applies to 1CNC XR7. So let's take a look again at performing a high-speed pocket operation here. In fact, what I want to do is this. Let's change the view to a top view, and let's say I want to drill a hole right here, and I want 1CNC to use that hole location to start this pocket. Well, that's very easily accomplished now within XR7. In fact, I'm going to make an arc, and I'm just going to digitize it right there. Okay, so there's my arc, and what I'm going to do is just simply drill that. So let's go into our, let's just use drill single. We'll use arc center, grab the center of that arc, and I'm going to use a 625 drill. I'm using a flat bottom drill. On that, you don't have to do that. You can use a standard drill if you want to, 118 if you want. It's up to you. And there's our depth at minus 0.25. I'm going to use a can cycle. I'll just use a G83 PEC, 150 thousandths for my PEC depth. So there's the hole that's been drilled. Now let's head over here to our pocketing. Let's select the pocket. That looks good. So I'm going to be using a 625 diameter end mill. And there's our depth of cut there. We're going to use high-speed close for that. And notice now that you have an option up here to choose between plunge or ramp helix. I'm going to use plunge because we're going to be plunging into the hole that I drilled. And down here, instead of automatic, automatic is where 1CNC figures out where it's going to start. But I'm going to use select an entry position. So we'll click next. I'm just going to leave these parameters the same. And now it's asking to digitize that circle. So I'm going to left click there and then right hand mouse click. And there you go. So you can see now, in fact, let's go to a top view. And let's go back here. You can see now that that toolpath has started exactly at that location. Now what's very interesting about this, and I think also very versatile as well, is that this pocket, the tool was too big to get through here. So it started here and then it came over here. Well, if you want to, you can apply multiple start locations. So let's come over here. Let's put another circle there. Let's edit the drilling operation. That looks good. That looks fine. So now it's drilling both those holes. And let's also edit our operation here, our pocket operation. High speed, we're going to select the entry position. And I suppose I could have just used repick path on that, but I'm going to grab both those circles there. And now you can see that the toolpath has started exactly at both those hole locations, both for each side. So you can have multiple start points on a single pocket, or you can have multiple pockets all with their own individual start points. I think it's a very, very versatile enhancement that's been added to 1CNC XR7 and is the direct result of the 1CNC Active Cut technology. Why don't we finish this up by just a quick simulate. So we'll go to simulate. I would probably use a flat bottom drill to drill this, but I'm just using a standard drill there. You can see that 1CNC has taken the tool and it's entered into the pocket using that pre-drilled hole location. Let's speed this up a little bit and you're going to see the same thing happen over on the other side there. Okay, so here's our finished passes. There we go. Tool comes up, rapids over, and feeds down into that hole location. Hey, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please contact, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.